don't know where they get their fake chains and jewelry from. They act like they on top of the world and soft and
The taxi cab partition with the money tray. The Kimber around me had more expensive. The sauce convention was funny face. No half off, nigga, this money weight. Flip you like hacksaw gym with the 20 gauge. No honey made. I never did it for the gram. I had a vision I was willing to enhance. Went from 720 to 4K in one night. Dumb nights. My forte is intuition, some light. Play stupid games and win stupid prizes. 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 No contact before it happens. Play just plenty games round up and that one is paying for the rap. Play stupid games. No contact before it gets. Play these plenty niggas round up and that one is paying for life.
you can't perform around us.
They ain't fucking over in the worst fashion. But if I get the yapping, it's gonna be a million purse snatches. Get your napkins, crab rapper on the menu tonight. Let's get it cracking, now I'm snacking, I'm an Israelite. That shit I did was savage, all in the name of living lavish. Leviticus and tatters. Call the neighbors, get the package, and get this shit established. Like hard homes.
Keep these fag body soft MCs out of your life, man. They wanna be you, they want your position, they want your tongue, bro. They want your language, your style.
Play stupid games and win stupid prizes. Play stupid games and win stupid prizes. Play stupid games and win stupid prizes. No contact before it happens. Play just plenty niggas round up and that one that's paying for the rap. Play stupid games. No contact before it gets. Play stupid niggas round up and that one that's paying for the rap.
Check it, ballpoint pens and weed, no stems. How can you drop gems and you ain't got no ends? How could we ever blend? How could we ever be friends? All I need is the metal in this life of sin. Yo, what's the price again? I wanna know. Ain't no advice to give, I gotta go. With only one life to live, I'm trying to grow. Idolize J and Big, I love the dope, for sure. My life revolves around science. It's survival of the wisest and the strongest, who the highest. And you don't bother me the slightest. You dirty niggas is the virus, why they sleep like the itis.
Cheerio.